Hi everyone, welcome to the official demo of Alurooj POS. In today's video, we will walk you through how to set up your printers in Alurooj POS, including how to assign KOT, kitchen order ticket printers for smooth kitchen operations. First, let's go to settings and click on receipt printers. This selection is especially useful for businesses that use multiple printers across different departments, with different products assigned to each printer. Here you can see that a few printers have already been added to the system. To add a new printer, simply click on Add Printer. Now let's go through the setup step by step. First, enter the printer name. For example, you can name it kitchen printer, bar printer, or tandoor printer. This helps you easily identify each printer. Next, select the connection type. You can choose between network, Windows, or Linux. Let's first look at Windows connection type. For capability profile, you can leave it as default. The characters per line will already be set. In the path field, you need to enter the printer name exactly as it is saved in your Windows system. To find this, open Control Panel. Go to Devices and Printers. Click on Printers and Scanners. Here you will see the list of printers and their names. For example, if your printer name is Kitchen, you must enter Kitchen exactly the same way in your POS system. Once all the details are filled in, click on Save. Now let's look at network connection type. Here I have selected Network. Keep the capability profile as default. The characters per line will already be filled. Enter the printer's IP address in the IP address field. The port number is usually pre-filled. After that, click on Save to complete the setup. Once all the printers have been added, the next step is to assign them to products. So you go to Products and list products. Go to Actions and click Edit. In KOT printer field, select the printer you want this product to be printed on. Then click Update. If your product does not require a KOT printer, you can simply leave this field empty. If you are adding new product, you can also assign the KOT printer during the product adding process. Here. For more details, you can check out our separate video on how to add products. That's it for today's demo. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with a new topic. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section.